Welcome back. In this lesson, we're looking at how AI is changing education, personalized learning, AI tutors and student support. AI/machine learning educational explainer. Now let's look at one classroom, many learning needs. In every classroom, students learn at different speeds. Some understand a topic quickly. Some need more practice. Some are afraid to ask questions. And teachers often have limited time to support everyone individually. This is where AI in education can help. In this video, we will see how AI can support personalized learning, tutors, and student success. Now let's look at roadmap of the video. First, we will understand what AI in education means. Then we will look at personalized learning. Next, we will explain AI tutors and learning assistants. After that, we will explore student support use cases. We will also discuss how AI can help teachers. Finally, we will cover risks, responsible use, and the future of learning. Now let's look at what does AI in education mean. AI in education means using artificial intelligence to improve teaching and learning. It can help analyze learning patterns. It can suggest the next best lesson. It can answer student questions. It can support teachers with planning and feedback. The goal is not to replace teachers. The goal is to make learning more personal, timely, and supportive. Now let's look at why traditional learning can feel one-size-fits-all. In a traditional classroom, all students often follow the same lesson at the same pace. But every student has different strengths and gaps. One student may be strong in theory but weak in problem-solving. Another may need visual examples. Another may need more revision before moving ahead. A one-size-fits-all approach can leave some students bored and others confused. AI can help identify these differences more quickly. Now let's look at personalized learning explained simply. Personalized learning means adjusting the learning experience for each student. AI can look at quiz scores, practice attempts, mistakes, and progress. It can then recommend easier, harder, or different learning material. For example, if a student struggles with fractions, the system can provide extra fraction practice. If another student is ready for advanced problems, the system can move them ahead. This helps students learn at the right level. The aim is better support, not pressure. Now let's look at AI tutors and learning assistants. An AI tutor is like a digital learning helper. It can explain a concept step by step. It can answer questions at any time. It can give hints instead of directly giving the answer. It can provide examples, practice problems, and revision support. This is especially useful when a teacher is not immediately available. But the best use is as support beside a real teacher, not as a full replacement. Now let's look at example, AI tutor for mathematics. Imagine a student is learning algebra. The student makes a mistake while solving an equation. An AI tutor can identify the step where the mistake happened. It can explain why that step is incorrect. It can give a small hint. Then it can ask the student to try again. This turns the mistake into a learning moment. Now let's look at student support beyond academics. AI can also support students beyond lessons and marks. It can help organize study schedules. It can remind students about assignments. It can suggest revision plans before exams. It can help students find learning resources. It can also support career guidance by connecting interests, skills, and learning paths. This makes AI useful as a broader student support system. Now let's look at early warning and intervention. Sometimes students start falling behind before anyone notices. AI can detect patterns such as missed assignments, low quiz scores, or reduced activity. These signals can alert teachers or counselors early. The goal is not to label students negatively. The goal is to provide help before the problem becomes bigger. Early support can improve confidence, attendance, and learning outcomes. Human judgment is still important before taking action. Now let's look at accessibility and inclusive learning. AI can make education more accessible for different types of learners. Speech-to-text can help students who struggle with writing. Text-to-speech can help students who prefer listening. Translation tools can support students learning in a second language. AI captions can help students with hearing difficulties. Simplified explanations can help learners who need extra support. Used carefully, AI can make learning more inclusive. Now let's look at how AI can help teachers. AI can also reduce repetitive work for teachers. It can help create lesson outlines. It can generate practice questions. It can summarize student progress. It can suggest which topics need revision. It can support feedback on assignments. This gives teachers more time for mentoring, discussion, and emotional support. Now let's look at risks and responsible use. AI in education must be used carefully. AI can make mistakes. It can give biased or incorrect answers. Students may become too dependent on it. Privacy is also important because education data is sensitive. Schools must protect student information. AI should support thinking, not replace thinking. Teachers, parents, and institutions should keep humans in the loop. Now let's look at practical use cases summary. Let us summarize the major use cases. AI can personalize lessons and practice. AI tutors can explain concepts and give hints. Student support tools can help with planning, reminders, and resources. Early warning systems can identify students who may need help. Accessibility tools can support inclusive learning. Teacher assistants can reduce repetitive work. Together, these use cases can make education more responsive. Now let's look at final recap and closing. AI in education is not about replacing teachers. It is about supporting students and teachers with better tools. Personalized learning helps students learn at the right pace. AI tutors provide extra guidance and practice. Student support systems help with planning, progress, and confidence. But AI must be used responsibly, with privacy, fairness, and human judgment. The future of education should be human-centered and AI-supported. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more simple AI explanations. To wrap up, here is the key takeaway. You now have a structured overview of how AI is changing education, personalized learning, AI tutors and student support. Review the core ideas, connect them to examples, and revisit concepts like one classroom, many learning needs, roadmap of the video, what does AI in education mean? When practicing. If you can explain the idea in your own words, you have really understood it.